Get ready to transform your iPhone messaging experience with iOS 26. One of the most talked about updates for Apple's Messages app is here, bringing enhanced features that not only keep communication fresh, but also tackle an annoying issue: spam texts. How does iOS 26 work to stop unwanted spam? The latest version of the Messages app is equipped with a fantastic new spam filtering mechanism. This is not just a superficial enhancement. It fundamentally changes how you handle unsolicited messages. If you're tired of those annoying random spam texts disrupting your day, iOS 26 offers a much-needed solution. But here's what's truly innovative. The Messages app now allows you to automatically filter incoming texts suspected to be spam. When this feature is enabled, spam messages will bypass your main notifications and will be sorted into a dedicated folder within Messages. This means no more disruptive alerts, allowing you to enjoy a peaceful, uninterrupted experience. What happens when you enable it? You'll notice two main benefits. One, your phone won't beep with notifications for suspected spam texts. Two, those messages will be neatly tucked away in a separate area, ensuring they don't clutter your main conversation list. Curious about the details? The newly introduced filtering options in the Messages app are easy to use and accessible through a filter icon at the top right corner. You can conveniently switch between different categories, such as regular messages, messages from unknown senders, spam, and recently deleted. Is it foolproof? While iOS 26 does a great job at filtering spam, the Messages app still provides a helpful reminder to check for any filtered message that you might want to view. What do you think about this change? Are you excited to try out the new spam filtering tools in iOS 26? Share your thoughts and let's discuss in the comments.